good morning. Welcome to another vlog. How are you guys doing? Excuse my tired eyes. It's a Monday morning. The girls just went to school. As a matter of fact, their dad dropped them in school because I'm not just feeling myself. You know, it's that time of the month when you're not feeling yourself. Anyway, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. Thank you guys so much. Like, the subscriber count has been growing every day. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Today is Monday. I and hubby have to get to the bank because when I did my BVN, I wasn't married. My name had not changed. This Oga has not officially changed my name. So when I did my NIN recently, I did my NIN with my new name, which is my marital name. And as such, there's a need to sort of like change what is in my BVN to what is now in my NIN. So I have to go to the bank this morning with marriage certificate. What else did they ask for, honey? Yeah, my newspaper change of name, publication, all that stuff, sha. So we're heading to the bank now to try to get that done and changed. And what else are we doing? Okay, my husband opened an account, but they did not give him the kind of account he wants. So he's going there this morning to also change it. Pretty much both of us are going to the bank this morning, and then we'll get on with the rest of the day. I have a couple of packages I'm expecting today, which we will get to once they arrive. And yeah, let's get on with our day before it's time to pick these children. Let's get as much work done. We're back. My husband, we actually left the bank angry. My husband got angry because he has zero tolerance for incompetent people. Zero tolerance. That's his phone ringing. So yeah, we go back. Like, we're just entering the house right now. Speaking with a client.
Please, I just go home now. I'm taking off my clothes. Let me just.
A security official sort of like pissed him off in the bank, and you know, he was like, let's go, let's go, let's go. I couldn't, the lighting is not so good here. Let me change. Okay, this is better. I couldn't do the BVN thing because the bank didn't have network. So it's like we just went to waste our time pretty much. I'll go again tomorrow. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to get the day started now. I have a recipe to film for YouTube, for Instagram. You guys, my Instagram page has been doing so well. Like, as of this morning, I hit 7,000 followers on Instagram, and my reels, like, I have 100,000 plus views, 200,000 plus views. Like, it's just making me really happy. One of the prayer requests I have for this year is that God should give me viral videos, especially here on YouTube, because I know that will really help with my monetization and, you know, everything, and just blow the channel. But somehow God is starting with Instagram, and I know YouTube is still going to come, because I am praying and I am believing God for a viral content on YouTube here, because I need to hit my watch hours so that this monetization thing can happen. So if you're watching right now, please watch my videos. Like, go and watch all my videos to support me so I can hit that watch hour as soon as possible, and then, you know, get that monetization thing out of the way, because that would be like a very big deal for me, able to have that. Okay, yeah, there's something I wanted to talk about as well. I went to church yesterday again, another Sunday, and you guys, I had missed what it was like to worship in the house of God. Like, I was so excited. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, you will see that I was posting, like, you know, videos on my stories about us worshiping. And then after a while, I went live on Instagram, because it was just so powerful. It was so beautiful. There's something about being in the presence of God, and the worship is right, the instruments are right, everything is just right. Like, I was on my feet. It was beautiful. It was wonderful to be in God's presence and to feel all of that. And I feel like that's the best way to even start a week, because that just put me in a very good mood for this week. So with that said, let's get on with the rest of the day. Hobby and I have not eaten yet, and this is like past 10 to 11. So we're going to eat banana and granite because we got that on our way. I'm not planning on entering the kitchen at all. So I'll wait for him to come out of the bathroom. And we'll go and eat our banana and granuts. You're the one eating this native one. Yeah, I don't understand. He's showing my subscribers his fine face. I don't understand. What's this man doing? Yeah. He's showing my subscribers his fine face. Trinity loves bananas, and if she comes back from school and she sees this thing,
She sees the banana peel alone.
like she'll know that we ate banana in this house. You guys, Hobby is rushing out to meet a client.
She's like, please, sir.
We are covering my lighting. Hobby is rushing out. Thank you. To meet a client. But I'm insisting that he put something in his belly first at least. Because he can just dash out. And you see when he comes back. And when he comes back, he'll be very, very hungry. And he start hearing, I'm very hungry, I'm very hungry, I'm very hungry. You guys, one of the delivery I'm expecting is actually here. The dispatch rider just called me. So let me step out and collect it. I'll show you guys. So it seems he got my address wrong and he's like way into my street already. So I'm just standing out here waiting for him. I can see him coming now. I can see him coming. Good afternoon, sir. No problem at all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I've collected it. Yeah, I'm going to put her handle on the screen as well as what I think about the cake. She's Charlie's Cakes and Pastries. So let's get into it. Okay, those are my kids, by the way. Okay, I think we actually have 2 cakes here. Oh my god, it's spilled. You guys, we have almost finished the cake. Oh, she brought chocolate cake and red velvet as well. The cake is so moist, so good. The frosting has melted because of heat, but she's good. I'll leave her handle on the screen. If you need cake and you're in Lagos, please contact her. Give her a try. My hubby loves the cake so. Okay, so hubby is eating the red velvet cake. Like, he loves it that much. Trinity wants to get into my view. Trinity loves chocolate cake like me. That's hubby with the red velvet cake. You like it, right? So good. Trinity, get out from my view. I'm telling you, she did an amazing job. She's so good, you guys. I'll leave her handle on the screen. Try her out. I'm giving you guys my word. Try her out. She is good. She is so good. I actually like when vendors can give you their word, and when you get their product, it actually speaks. She's good. Hi guys, good morning. How you all doing? Yesterday went by so fast, like phew. Anyway, today this vlog is going to end today because I don't want it to be too long. The package that I've been expecting since Monday finally arrived yesterday, but I arrived very late, so I couldn't show you guys. So I'm definitely going to show you that package once I'm done filming. Right now you can see my setup there. I'm trying to film a recipe for Instagram, and I also put it on YouTube as well, but it's going to be like a YouTube shorts. The kids have gone to school, so the house is quiet. My husband has gone to work, so I pretty much have the house to myself to be productive. So I'm trying to quickly film this content now. My kitchen is a mess because ingredients are everywhere, but yes, this is like behind the scenes. Let me show you. I have 2 ring lights, I have my pot on my fire and all of that. I'm just making do with my kitchen the best way that I can. So I'm going to film this recipe now, and then I'm going to unbox that package to you guys. Let's go. Okay, you guys, I'm done filming that recipe. I'm yet to edit it. Like, I just finished filming. It's one thing to film a recipe, then edit the video, then after cooking, of course, you have to take pictures, otherwise you will not have any picture of that recipe. So I've done all of that, and let me quickly unbox this for you guys so we can end this vlog I'm rushing because it's past 12. I want to take my bath. I want to edit that video and post it on Instagram because it is a reels. I also need to get prepared to go pick the kids from school by 2 p.m. So you see, I have less than an hour plus to actually be done. Anyway, I got this from Brand Us. It's called Brand Us. They make shoes and bags, like handmade shoes and bags from scratch. So let's unbox what's in here. I've been expecting this package since Monday, but I got it last night, actually, like pretty late. Okay, sorry. Okay, here we have 2 shoes, 2 meals actually, this and this. So I'm just going to show you guys what they look like. So we have this red. I really don't own any pair of red shoes, so this is actually really nice. Pair of red shoe. Okay, and in the same design there is this mustard color. I love this mustard color. I love the fact that, you know, the heels are not so high. They are very comfortable heels that I can just put on my leg and go wherever it is that I have to go. I love like this wrap detail going on here. I just love it. I love it. It's nice. I was expecting a thicker quality fabric, but I feel like this works. Yeah, I was expecting a thicker quality fabric though, but let's see. So yeah, these, where is the other one? These are the shoes I got from them. These are the shoes I got from them. So definitely I'll be creating some sort of content, you know, with these shoes, and this will pretty much be like my everyday shoes right now. Really comfortable. I'll leave their handle on the screen in case you want to get from them. They make them handmade from scratch. They make bags as well, so if you want to get from them, you can. And I think they deliver worldwide, or just Nigeria, but I feel like they deliver worldwide. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. It's going to be like a very crazy and busy weekend for me, but all fingers crossed I can get everything I need to get done. My hair needs to come down. You can see I'm itching, right? This hair needs to come down. I need to get time to go to the salon, wash this hair and try to do another one. All of that is what I'm fitting into the weekend, plus filming and everything. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, as always, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section, okay, what part is your favorite, of course. And of course, I'll see you all in my next vlog. I need to go take a bath, edit that video, post it, and go pick my girls from school. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.